morning, children. Chandini Views welcomes you all for the online class. Today, we are going to see the class first standard subject EVS. What is meant by EVS? EVS means environmental science. In environmental science, we are going to see the social. Lesson number one, and the topic is my family. What is mean by my family, children? I will tell you what is meant by family. Family is a group of people who are related to each other, like father, mother, brother, sister, grandparents, uncle, aunt, etc. are known as family. Today, we can see about my family briefly in this class. Wow! Who is on the screen, children? Yes, he is a boy. Let's see what he is going to tell us. Hi, friends. How are you? Hope you are all fine with your good health. My name is Sunil. Do you know where I am studying? No, we don't know where are you studying. Let me tell you where are you studying? Any guesses? I think you are studying in a preschool. Let's see where he is studying. Let me tell you. Sure. I'm studying in Chandni Views. Today, I'm going to tell about my family. We are very eagerly waiting to hear about your family, Sunil. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready to hear. Okay, friends, let's begin the class now. Family. I love my family. Children, do you know what is meant by family? What did I said in before means family is a group of people who live together in a one house is known as family. In family, we will be having father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, etc. Here, for family, there is an abbreviation. I will tell you what is the abbreviation of the family. F stands for father, A stands for aunt, M stands for mother, I stands for I, L stands for love, and U stands for you. Together, father and mother, I love you. The abbreviation of the family is father and mother, I love you. I love my family. We too love our family, Sunil. Family. Parents and children live together in a family. We can care and love our family. So, family plays an important role in our life. The only family members who care and love their children with a very important priority is known as a family. Without the help of family, we cannot achieve anything. Importance of family. Family introduces you to the world when you arrive on the earth. The only family members, without the help of the family members, children cannot arrive in the world. Only with the help of them, we can arrive in the world. Family helps us in our various developments like mental, social, physical, and emotional. The only family members who builds our mental, social, and physical and emotional strength in a such a way. The family is the one who demands less and gives us more as possible. Family members will not or demand to us to do that thing, to do these things. They are the only people who gives us more and they spends to them very less things. Family accepts us in all possible conditions, whether good or bad. The only family members who accepts us when we are doing a good thing, family, only family members who encourages us to do lot and lot of things to us. And when we are doing a bad thing, the only family members who guide us and shows a right way to move in a correct direction. Family brings out our personality more effectively. Family members, the only family members who gives our personality more effectively. Here, personality is not only for the outer appearance, it also represents the inner appearance also. Family is the backbone of one's life. That is the main supporting system of our body. Children, without the help of our backbone, we cannot sit straight or we cannot stand straight. So likewise, the family members is seen to be as a backbone. Without them, we cannot move in a such a way. We cannot deny that family is the one who supports us financially also until we get a job. Family members will not leave us that when we are not in a job also there is a only family members who guide us and serves us, and when you're getting a job they will be very happy. We get recognition and name in society because of family. This is a really a true thing that without the help of family members somebody cannot identify us. For example, in when we are going in a road, somebody asked me that who are you means, then some other person will tell to them as he is he is a son of Mohan or he is a daughter of Mohan. So recognition comes to the society only in behalf of the family members. Every other member of the family has its own importance and value. All the family members has their own importance and value. Family gives you wings to fly high in the sky to achieve your goal. The only family members who gives you mentally, physically, everything a strength to achieve your goal where you need to do it. So love your family, have a family with a very happiest time. When somebody scolds you in your family, don't get disgusted and don't tell harsh words to them. Appreciate your father, appreciate your mother, that what are all the things gets from them. Say to your mom that I love you mom, say to your father that I love you father. Okay children. Family. What is mean by family? A family is a social group of people who stay together under the same roof in a society. They will be staying with us in a society in the same way. It comprises two or more adults like parents and grandparents and young children who are bound in a relationship by birth or blood. They are collectively known as family members. What does mean by family means in a society we will be in the same roof, and in family there will be father, mother, grandparents and brother, sister, younger sister, elder sister, who were all in a relationship of a blood is known as a family, and they are collectively known as the family members. Okay, children, we have two kinds of family. One is a small family and another one is a big family. Family. Small family means in small family we will be having four members like father, mother, brother, sister, which you see in the screen. In some small family there will be also a three members like father, mother, either son or daughter to them. Okay. Big family. In big family there will be a lot of people like father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie, and your nephew, niece, like that. It will be building on. So they are called as big family. Family, we are going to see about the Small family. What is mean by small family? A small family is the one with parents and a maximum of two children. So in small family, we will be having parents and maximum of two children like a girl or a boy. The small family is also called as a nuclear family. So how many members will be there in a small family? Father, mother, brother, and sister will be in a small family. How many members are in the small family? Again, I'll be telling you. Okay, children? Father, mother, two or one children in a small family. It is a wonderful family. Okay? Small family is also called as nuclear family. Nuclear family is also called as small family. In nuclear and small family, we will be having four or three members. A small family is a happiest family. Hope you enjoyed today's class, children. In today's class, we have seen about what is meant by family, and I also said you the abbreviation of family. I will tell you again. F stands for father and mother. I love you is the abbreviation of the family. In family, we have seen two different types of family, like small and big family, and we also seen the importance of family. We can learn about big family in the next class. Friends, our family gives us love and care. We should love and respect our family. Do you understood, children? Hope you understood about the small family in today's class. In small family, we will be having four or three members. Four means there will be father, mother, brother, sister. Three means there will be father, mother, either boy or girl in that family. The small family is also called as a nuclear family. I hope you enjoyed this class. Okay, friends, in next class we can see the another topic. Okay, friends, thank you. Take care. Be safe. Bye. Thank you, children. We can see in the next class in another interesting topic. Until then, be safe in your home.